Hi guys, we're taking a look at the ZEEKER P10 rugged smartphone. So this smartphone is very much meant for being durable. It's super drop proof. It's got these bumpers on every side of it, which makes it super handy for anybody who works in technology or outside. You don't really have to worry about it falling, which is great. It's protected. On top of that, it's got a ton of extra features. So its camera itself is amazing, 108 megapixels for the main camera, 2 megapixels for depth, 8 MP for ultra wide, and a 8 MP night vision camera. So this has a ton of features on there. We'll go through that a little bit more with the video testing, but for now, let's just take a look at the external features. So there's a look at where you place the charging cord. So it actually seals right up, so makes it super protective from dust and external water sources. I also love that this one has a area to place your headphones. Some phone companies have taken out the headphone jack or aux jack, so I appreciate that they've kept that on this phone. So now you can see a little bit more of the interface and how smooth it runs. So I'm just testing out some of the apps here. All your kind of basic work apps are included on there, which is super handy. It's got a compass, gradienter, flashlight. It actually gives you a level for hanging paintings, height meters, magnifier, alarm bells, protractor, sound meter, barometer, pedometer. So it's really meant to be used kind of as a working phone. So we're going to open up the camera app here. You can see a little bit on just kind of the main portrait style lens, and then the easy edits as there as well. So I've just selected enhance on here. Gives you a nice little before and after, and I'm just playing around with some of the features. So here is the night vision and night mode. I do take it outside to see a little bit more hands-on the difference that makes, but I'll also show you in just a moment here, taking a photo. All right, portrait mode, that is kind of a new standard on phones, great for taking selfies. It'll just kind of blur out the background and really add a lot of clarity to you being the focus. So very cool on that front, very high quality, both on the front and back camera. Now let's go into the Pro mode. You can modify all those different settings that I'm showing on there. So if you are familiar with editing, that'll be super handy. You can use it almost just like a professional camera. Also has GIF, panorama, slow motion, time lapse, and a way to scan photos as well if you're wanting to use that as a shopping kind of feature. So there's a little bit comparison between what reality is and what you see on the camera. I thought this was really cool. It just brightens up the area completely. So if you're taking this on a camping trip or just doing any kind of general work in darker areas, that would be super handy. This also supports endoscopes. So if you're trying to do work in between an events or on vehicles or underneath something, that is also where it comes in super handy. And then, of course, here's kind of more of a focus in on the side buttons where you'll have the volume functions as well as all the bumpers. It is just a really sleek looking phone overall. You can see the orange features. Definitely check it out.